Hello guys, welcome to this lesson. And in this lesson we are going to be looking at HTML semantic elements. Now, what does semantic means? When HTML5 came in, there are lots of tags that were added to it, which specifies and tells the web browser, the developer, that this aspect is the header, this aspect is the footer, etc. Now, when we look at something such as div or span, it's there you can add any content in between. It does not tell the web browser that okay, this is the type of content that is going to be at this particular section. But when we have something such as we have tags such as form, table, article, it tells it that oh, this is going to be a form, oh, this is going to be a table, and this is going to be an article. And also, let's look at the basic layout of a website. Now we have the header, okay, and then we have, let me just open this up right here. Okay, so first we're going to have our header. Then after the header we have the navigation. Though one thing to note is the nav section is usually nested inside of the header. Then in our website main content, we are going to have things such as section or the article section or the aside, which usually stands for the sidebar, and then the footer. Okay, let's look at that in HTML. Now, all of these sections have different HTML tags for them, different HTML elements, which shows that yes, this is what they actually are for. Okay, so for example, I can have my header, and then let's say this is my header, and then I can also have my nav, which can say okay, this is the navigation. Okay, and then I can have my footer, which says this is the footer. Okay, all of these HTML semantic elements basically shows that this is what it clearly defines what content is going to be contained in that particular HTML tag, and it's something that I really recommend that you actually go through and you learn very well. Now I'm going to also give the link to this particular web page so you can also go through it and you can check things out and also play around with it. So I'm going to see you in the next lesson.